going to open up the faces image, and they want us to go to image size, and we can see the image size here. And they want to resample and go by percentage, and then we're going to increase the size to 400%. But as we know, when we increase something that's small, it gets a little bit pixelated and kind of messed up. So here's their suggestion. In the resample menu, choose bicubic smoother, resample, bicubic smoother enlargement. And then, let's see what else. We're going to resample option is still selected, and then we're going to choose preserve detailed enlargement. Preserve detailed enlargement. And so you could see a difference on the image. I'm going to zoom out. So let's go back. Bicubic and preserve detail image. It kind of smooths it out, I guess. With the resample option still selected, choose preserve detail. And we want to reduce noise, which I already have it set to 50%. And if we use, if I press the reset, it's saying, click OK, select all, okay. Well, all right, this is fine. I press OK. And I'm going to do Command 0 to make it smaller. Look, it's so large and disturbing. Click OK, and then select all, Command A, and then copy. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our poster, and we're going to use the elliptical tool. And let's see. In the options bar, enter 50 pixels for feather. So I already have feather at 50. And I'm going to choose an ellipse that goes over. So I'm going to, could not move my selection to Band D. I'm going to choose another ellipse again. So there's my ellipse. This is where I want my image from the previous one to work. And then we go Edit, Paste Special, Paste Into, and then there they are, screaming. So I can adjust it, I can move them around. And according to the book, there should have been a dialog box that came up, and I'm looking for it, a warning, but it never showed up. Now, the other thing that I noticed is that in the example, this image is black and white, and this, you can see it, it's in color. So we need to make this in black and white. Maybe they forgot a step or something happened in the directions. So I'm going to go to layer 3, I select it, and I'm going to choose black and white. And you can see, yeah, the image turned black and white, but everything underneath the black and white layer is also black and white, except for the title. Now, I only wanted to affect that one layer right below it. So I'm going to right click and mask all objects. And it's thinking. And I think I chose the wrong one, but we'll see. Because now I'm having this progress layer group, which shouldn't be happening, but we're just going to see it. We can always undo. So that's definitely was the wrong one. So Command Z. And we want to create a clipping mask. And then there it is. So creating the clipping mask. Go ahead and save your file. Make sure to convert that image that we paste in place into black and white. And we are officially done with lesson 9. Yay!